Yo, what's up, guys? So today I actually made a emergency alert system on Emergency Alert System Pro because I don't have actually the free version of. I really wish that I can just actually save the customer alerts, but it only has to download Pro. Not cool, man. Update your game, please, guys. Thank you. If you guys want to see my alert, here it comes.
This is a message to all elves and Santa and all personnel. Stay at home if you are at schools. Eat breakfast. Do not evacuate school. Eat breakfast, lunch, and then at the end of the day, bus drivers will pick you up and take you to the bus. Do not evacuate early.
As you can see, I added text to it, which says Emergency Alert System. Civil authorities issued a contagious disease warning. That X'd and X. And as you can see, I added a scrolling text which says all of this. I'm not going to read it. And as you can see, I have no same hazard alert. Okay, but I do have attention signals, which is the Canada Alert Ready. Here's what it sounds like. Yo, I know you already. So I know you already heard it, but it's just a double check. And right here is the voice text message. And then, yeah. So guys, have a good day. Have a good emergency alert system day. Plus, they're still testing their emergency alert systems.
This is a message to all elves and Santa and all personnel. Stay at home if you are at schools. Eat breakfast. Do not evacuate school. Eat breakfast, lunch, and then at the end of the day, bus drivers will pick you up and take you to the bus. Do not evacuate early.
Have a good day.